Hey guys, welcome to another quick episode of Tech with Christine. I just wanted to take some time to just do a quick step-by-step tutorial on how you can use NotebookLM. So let's go. So here I am on the NotebookLM website. As I mentioned, you can go to notebooklm.google.com. Everyone who has a Gmail address can access this for free. It's a free tool. I already created one yesterday, but I just wanted to walk you through how to start over from scratch. So you click create a new notebook, and immediately you are able to select files that you want to add to the notebook as resources. These files can come from your Google Drive. It could be a website link, a YouTube link, a URL, or just some text. So what I'm going to do now is just add another resource. And this time I'm just going to be adding the official website for Miami Art Week. So here I've added the Miami Art Week events URL, and I click insert, and now it'll appear as a web resource that I can now ask my notebook. So today is the 3rd of December, so I could say, what are the events after 6 p.m. December 3rd? And now it'll just go in and look through all my resources, included this new website URL, and give me the most updated. So as I mentioned, besides talking to your documents and talking to your documents and resources and getting information, you can also choose to change and transform your documents into other formats. So for example, I can choose to create an audio podcast relating to this schedule that I have. I can also choose to do a video, and it's a simple click. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm generating a video based on these resources, and it usually takes a little while. Important thing that you will notice that Notebook LM does, it also suggests information and insights that you might not have recognized about your own resources. So as you could see, based on the 4 resources I've added, it is asking and suggesting questions that I might want to ask. And there are several of them. For example, it says, which art fair has December 2nd VIP preview? Instead of me scrolling through all of my documents, I could simply click on that prompt and it'll answer that question. As you can see, Notebook LM is a great tool to have in your toolkit. You can use it for website URLs, PDF files, documents of any sorts. Think of research papers, travel plans, whatever you might have. Use it to get some insights and learn more about your document.